guys, I am back with another video. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how I apply my lashes, so keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you what I use to apply my lashes with. So of course you're going to need the lashes. You're going to need the lash applicator, pair of tweezers, some curls, some lash curlers, mascara, and of course some lash glue. So first, how I determine which lash is going to go on which eye is by I just get the lash and I go by which side is shorter. So with this lash, the shorter side is going to go in the inner tear duct. So this lash is going to go on my right eye. So what I do is I take the glue and I apply the glue all over the band. So while the glue is getting tacky, I just set it down, and this is just the way I do it. You can do it however you like. And I go ahead and I curl this eye that I'm going to apply the lash to. And the reason why I do it this way is because I feel like by the time I curl it and put the mascara on, it should be tacky. And I just apply the mascara. And this is really optional. You don't have to put mascara on. I like to put the mascara on because it helps your falsies blend better, look more natural. Okay, so what I like to do is just take the lash, got my mirror, and I'm just gonna like look down in the mirror but look up, if that makes any sense. And I just take the lash, apply the middle, the ends, and then the outer. Then I get the tweezer and I just make sure the ends are down good. And bye. And then what I do is just take the lash applicator, and the reason why I like to use this is I like to go on the lashes and squeeze it onto my real lashes. Just hold this side down a little bit because I don't want my ends to start coming up. And there you have it. And if you want, you could just take your hand and kind of like, if you don't have the lash applicator, you could also use your finger. I use my fingers too, so. There you go. So let's go ahead and do the other side. Oh, and I forgot one thing, one important thing. When you first get your lashes, make sure you measure your lashes to your lashes, okay? Like just by putting it onto your lashes without putting glue, and make sure they fit. If they're too long, just cut the outer corner, not the inner corner, but the outer corner, cut it. How much you might need to cut, just cut it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the other side. We're going to take the glue. After you measure your lashes to your eye, you're going to take the glue. And you're going to put glue on this one. And I like to put more on the end corners. Just because it just seems like at the end corners, it always comes up for some odd reason. So I'm just going to let that set so it could get tacky. I'm going to take my mascara. I'm going to go ahead, well, let's curl it first. But like I say, mascara is optional. You don't necessarily have to put mascara. The mascara just helps your falsies blend better. So I'm just going to take my lashes. They should be tacky by now. Get my mirror. Look down. And what I'm trying to do is place it not on my hair, but on my lash line. Okay. Get the tweezers and put it down on each side here. And what I'm doing here is just blend it together. And if you want, you could put mascara on the false lashes. I never do. To me, that's just more cleaning your lashes. Oops. Yikes. I didn't mean to pull that up. And there you have it. Have you guys ever wondered if somebody's gonna actually poke themselves in the eye with tweezers? I came close to it, but I'm crazy enough to do it. Okay, there we go. There you go, there you go. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is how I apply my lashes. And again, everybody apply their lashes different, but this is what works out for me. Actually, this video was requested and I'm just not getting around to it, but I hope it helped you out a lot. As always, love you guys, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye. Just lead the way to